ho, ho, ho!
Hello everyone, welcome back to Tea Time with Aloha and Coco. I'm Vicky. If you're new around here, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be part of the Tea Time family. Guys, welcome to our Vlogmas series, and today we are heading on over to the Animal Kingdom to explore all of the wonderful holiday things they have in store. So let's look no further and jump into the video. So our first stop during this trip is the Wilderness Explorer headquarters. Let's get our booklets, and the girls are gonna go ahead and try to discover all of the areas that they need to earn their badges.
And you're gonna repeat after me. The wilderness must be explored. Must be explored. Good job. Show me the backs of your hands. Cross them. Clap your bird wings. Say go, 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 go.
Oh my god, that's so cool. Look at all those birds. Look at all those colors. Wow. Oh, how cool. We found our first Wilderness Explorer station, and now they have to learn about an animal, and then they earn a patch for that location. We've spotted another. This is a great activity for kids if you're coming to Animal Kingdom. It makes it really exciting for them to hunt for all of the badges. So far the girls have gotten 3 badges. We just got our botany badge. Ooh, but we are in the world of Pandora. We are going to go have some lunch because we're very hungry. So we've made it to Satuli Canteen. This is my favorite restaurant, or quick service rather, at the Animal Kingdom Park. And I already know what I'm gonna go with. I'm gonna go with a bowl. I just don't remember all of the items that go into the bowl. It's been a while since I've been here, but I'm pretty confident I'm gonna love it, as I do every time I come. So while we're waiting in line to order our food, Aloha and Coco are going through their little booklet, and they're scratching off all of the places they visited so far. There's a couple of places you're missing. We gotta go back to the beginning also. And we already did this one over here, the botany. And apparently there's another one in Pandora. So we gotta find the Pandora one, right, Aloha? Okay, but first, comida. So the girls got cheeseburger pods and chips. We went with this new dessert. I'll go ahead and put it right below. And we went with the chimichurri steak, the black beans and rice, with some vinaigrette sauce. There's 2 different, we got both vinaigrette sauces. So Coco got the same thing. Okay, let's eat. Guys, so we just finished eating. It was so good. Now I think we're gonna get in line for the Pandora rides. There's one we got a fast pass for Flight of Passage, but the riverboat ride I think is a 20-minute wait, so I think we're gonna check that out. So guys, we just left the Navi River ride and now we are heading to the Flight of Passage. We made it in time for our lightning lane for the Flight of Passage. Let's check it out. Coco just hit the 44-inch mark to be able to ride this. They've never been able to ride Flight of Passage, so this is gonna be really exciting for them. If you guys haven't been to Flight of Passage, it's almost like you're sitting on a Banshee, or it is like you're sitting on a Banshee and they're taking you for a ride. It's very close to soaring over at Epcot. Okay.
Blinking calibration status?
Optimal. Machine levels look good.
Genetic matching room.
Hi, and welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi Rite of Passage, riding on the back of a Banshee by being genetically matched and linked to an avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden.
Welcome, everyone. I'm Dr. Jackie Ogden from the Pandora Conservation Initiative.
So we just got off the ride, and when you do, they have a whole shop with a whole bunch of beautiful merch, but you can also make your own necklace for $19.99. Mira, ven. They have beads, they have feathers, they have stones. They have a wall and they're full of all of these little birds. You sit them on your shoulder, and they have remotes.
Not at night, under a black light. Let's go see the animals. That is not to be here.
Guys, we made it to Africa. We're gonna do the safari now. Got a lightning lane for that. We've done so much this time around here. The girls are actually really excited about it. They're like, we should be coming to this park more often. It's a great temperature too. It's not hot, like mild breeze. Okay. Let's go find this safari. Mickey Mouse paid for it. We didn't have to pay because Mickey Mouse bought it for us. So cool, that mouse. Look at this, how beautiful. 100% we haven't been here long enough to discover all these really beautiful things, but how pretty is all this? Oh my god, how pretty. I definitely have to give it to Animal Kingdom that they have some of the most beautiful spots for photos. I really have to give it up to them. So pretty. One thing I do not like about Animal Kingdom is they close extremely early and all the food spots are closed really early. It is around 5 or 5:10 and most of the kiosks are completely closed, so you can't get food unless you go to like a big restaurant. We're under the tree of life and we're trying to find all of the animals. Whoa. Look, I see a bear. Oh no, that's not a bear. That's a monkey. No, that's a monkey. This is a beetle.
Oh my god, a beetle.
Look, there's more. Go in front of me, Coco. Guys, I want to take you to the Discovery Trading Company. I know that they have a whole bunch of holiday merch. I want to show them to you guys. We have these cute little Yeti lounge flies. This is really, really pretty. And the bows. And they also have the lounge fly to go with it.
Ah, mira, es como it's so cute.
Do you want Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. One. Ah! No! Your hands are too dry! There you go.
And just like that, we are done here at Animal Kingdom for today. Let's go check out that tree now that it's nighttime and it's all lit up. And that is the Christmas tree here for Animal Kingdom. I love how every tree at every park has a completely different personality. So many different features. It's really cool to visit each park and just see how all of the Imagineers and Disney create these really iconic trees. So guys, that is a wrap for us here at Animal Kingdom for today's Vlogmas episode. We had a great time. It was such a good time, in fact, that we're going to end up coming back again for the holidays. Hopefully before Christmas is over so we can document it again. It's just, there was a lot of magical things happening and I feel like we didn't get a chance to see everything. There was this cupcake, this holiday cupcake we wanted to try. Didn't get a chance to, so we're probably gonna come back to get that. It was just really, really nice, and I'm glad I gave Animal Kingdom another shot. Again, thank you so much for following along our Vlogmas series. Had a great time sharing it with you guys today, and I will be back tomorrow for more. But until then, I'll see you next time, and don't forget to stay magical.